Hi there folks, so in this video we will be talking about lambda in Python, which is an anonymous function. So earlier we quickly covered the most common way of defining function, the def statement. You will likely come across another way of defining short, one-off function with the lambda statement. It looks something like this. So if we use add lambda x, we give it this first variable, which is x, and the second variable is y. We are doing this thing. So we are adding x plus y. So if you run this code, so here it's 3 because it adds 1 plus 2, which is 3. Right. So this code is equivalent to this function. So let's create def defined the name. We give the name of the function, which is add, and then we give it two variables. Right. So now what we want to do is return x plus y. Right. Just like in this anonymous function. So now let's give add 1 2. So we're supposed to have an output of 3. It doesn't work, I think. Turn x y. We have here an output of 3. Right. So this is actually how to use lambda. So first of all, we write down lambda, and then we give it a variable, which could be one single variable or two, and then we want to do something to that variable. Right. We can store it in a value. We can store it in a value, or generally when we work with data frames, we write mainly apply, and we give it we write this lambda between parentheses, and now we can have actually used the powerful of writing lambda. Thank you. See you in the next video.